If you have ever felt confused about what actually happens between signing up and getting paid, this video is going to clear all of that up. Stay with me from start to finish. When you don't know the exact sequence of events, it is incredibly easy to accidentally skip over an important requirement, rush a crucial form, or just get completely frustrated and quit 2 weeks in because you missed a basic detail. Hey, I am Mel with KMI Virtual Solutions, and my goal is to make sure none of that happens to you. Today, I am breaking down the full remote work pathway, every phase, in order, so you know exactly where you are and what comes next. When you can see the entire roadmap laid out in front of you, the guesswork disappears. You stop worrying about what you might be missing, and you can just focus entirely on executing the very next step. To see how this works, look at this timeline. This is the chronological structure you will follow, starting with your administrative setup. Phase 1 is getting informed, which is exactly what you are doing right now. You read the emails, you watch the orientation videos, and you learn the rules of the road. This step is mandatory. Once you understand the process, you move into Phase 2, registration and application. Here, you will create your platform account and submit background checks. But hold off for now. We have a full tutorial video coming up later to walk you through this exact process. Next is Phase 3, where you choose your specific client program. This matters because not all companies are the same. They have different pay rates, different scheduling flexibilities, and different skill requirements. Notice that up to this point, you haven't taken a single customer call. These first 3 phases are purely about building your administrative baseline correctly. If you try to jump ahead of these foundational steps, you will inevitably hit technical roadblocks that take twice as long to fix later. Once that foundation is locked in, you cross over into Phase 4, complete training. This is where you learn the specific tools, scripts, and processes to certify for your chosen client. And here is a detail you need to know. All training through KMI is paid compensation. We operate on an earn-while-you-learn model. Your income clock doesn't wait until you finish. You are building toward a paycheck from your very first day of training. After you certify, Phase 5 is scheduling your work blocks. For your first week, your only goal is to build a consistent daily habit. Don't worry about maximizing your hours. Start small, show up consistently, and build from there. That consistency leads directly to Phase 6, your first payout. Because KMI pays out reliably on the 1st and the 15th of every single month, the system is entirely predictable once you are in it. If you stay on track with your training and complete your scheduled blocks, that reliable remote income will follow right on schedule. Throughout all of this, remember how the ecosystem works. KMI Virtual Solutions provides the map and guides you through the process, while the service platform is simply the road where the actual work happens. To navigate this successfully, use the one client at a time strategy. Start with a single client program. Get comfortable, get consistent, and get paid. Once you have that foundation solid, then you can certify for and add a second client. Methodically stacking your certifications like this allows you to safely build up to a 40-hour workweek without burning yourself out in the process. Remember, every phase of this pathway has a purpose. Skipping ahead will only force you to go back and clean up administrative messes later. Below this video, you will find an email containing your timeline PDF. Open it up, find exactly where you are today, and execute your very next step. Follow the path in order, trust the process, and keep moving forward.